The Musicool 39-inch electric guitar kit offers a comfortable, beginner-focused design with a slim C-shaped neck and gently rolled fret edges that make long practice sessions easier on the hands. Its solid paulownia body and maple neck keep the instrument lightweight yet sturdy, so younger players or smaller-framed adults can handle it without fatigue. The single humbucker pickup layout, combined with a 5-way selector and separate tone and volume controls, provides a surprisingly wide range of sounds suitable for blues, rock, and general practice. The included practice amplifier features both clean and overdriven channels with adjustable gain and tone, allowing new players to experiment with different textures without needing extra gear. A glossy black finish, double cutaway body shape, and tidy hardware give the guitar a classic look that feels at home in lessons, rehearsals, or casual performances. Because the kit arrives with a padded bag, digital tuner, strap, cable, spare strings, and picks, it functions as a complete starter package that lets a new guitarist begin playing immediately.